Drug companies, would you like a new miracle drug for the treatment and prevention of a harmful disease?
Trill pill, a breakthrough medical technology. Pill is a proof of concept that demonstrates why our design will release the toxic medicine in 3 to 10 minutes.
We identified the problem as a toxic medicine needing to be released into the body at specific time intervals. We researched various materials and brainstormed how the combination of certain materials would create a suitable outer casing for the pill. Choosing a design, we developed our first prototype.
After redesigning our initial prototype, we have developed our final prototype. The Trill pill has a unique and innovative design.
We designed our proof of concept pill using coffee filters, pink cafeteria napkin, and landscaping mesh. The first layer closest to the pill is comprised of 2 coffee filters. After that comes the pink cafeteria napkin, pulled tightly around the wiffle ball. The last layer is the landscaping mesh, and it's all held together by one rubber band in a ponytail-like manner.
We arrived at this design through multiple rounds of testing and redesigning based on the criteria. We tried different materials, placed in different orders around the pill, and found this configuration to be the most effective in solving our problem. Our first 2 layers around the pill were coffee filters. We made our first 2 layers the coffee filters because they would be the last to come in contact with the surrounding solution, or the water in this case. This prevents the coffee filters from immediately breaking down, prevents the medicine from being released too quickly. The location of the coffee filters allows for the medicine inside to slowly permeate through the pill capsule and release at the goal time of 3 minutes. Next, the pink cafeteria napkin was used as the second layer, as shown here. This pink napkin layer was more permeable than the combination of the filter paper layers. Once the liquid medicine solution finally made it through the coffee filters, it could easily pass through the pink napkin. The final layer of our pill design is the landscaping mesh, which is the least permeable out of the 3 layers that we used. This attributed to the time of release of the medicine around 3 minutes and the duration of the release around 7 minutes.
Our first prototype released the medicine after only 30 seconds, and the duration of the release was a total of 9 minutes. This contrasts with the result of our final prototype test. It released the medicine at 2 minutes and 39 seconds, and the duration lasted 7 minutes.
To begin testing, we will substitute different layers of the pill with similar membranes used in the medicine world, such as gel cap, liquid, or chalk. We will obviously shrink down the pill so it's swallowable, but we will also change the design of the pill so that the materials are digestible. We will begin clinical trials on stomach acid, then on animals, and finally on humans. With approval from the FDA, our drug shall be on the market very soon.
The Trill pill is the best design as its target release is the most accurate and it releases over the full 7 minutes. The release is slow, but it is safe in preventing the toxic material from overloading the system. Here we take safety first seriously. Buy the Trill pill today.